How to optimize your dedicated server. Apart from the hardware, the setup of a server plays an important role in its performance. Any hosting platform is as powerful as its configuration allows it to be. Here are a few tips to optimize your dedicated server for maximum performance. Choose the right combination. Dedicated server hosting providers offer high-end hardware and top configurations for max performance. With the right software for your server, you might not even need the topmost hardware for performance. Optimize JavaScript delivery. JavaScript is the software that is responsible for powering all your website's functionalities. Tweak your website settings to delay the loading of JavaScript to speed up your page load speeds. Adjust priority settings. Every server has its own list of priority settings which dictates the order of tasks it executes. Change the default, normal priority, setting to high priority to reduce latency and reduce load times. Implement caching. Caching is one of the best ways to boost page load speeds and deliver a seamless user experience. It delivers a pre-processed result for repeat user requests, which reduces the load on the server itself. Choose the right apps. Every dedicated server comes with a set of pre-installed default apps which may not be efficient. Choose the right apps for your website to ensure more efficiency and assure consistent server performance. Reseller Club's dedicated server hosting offers enterprise-grade hardware that's paired with optimized apps for seamless performance. Get round-the-clock support with proactive server monitoring along with instant server provisioning and full root access.